Hi, I'm Kevin Shattenkirk, and it's my privilege to introduce our community hero of tomorrow,
Jordan Jasper. After volunteering at the Tampa Bay History Center and learning about our community's long, rich, and diverse history, Jordan became inspired to share it with those who could not experience it firsthand, particularly the many senior citizens across the Bay Area who are unable to enjoy the museum due to cognitive or physical limitations. So Jordan's launched the Memories for Life program, a free museum outreach program for seniors at assisted living facilities. Memories for Life will empower teen volunteers to lead workshops using history to trigger intellectual and conscious reactions, which will improve the seniors' memory recall and social interaction, and as a result, their quality of life. Sometimes the best thing about memories is making them twice. That's why you, Jordan, are a hero. Before the game, it was our privilege to present Jordan with a $25,000 educational scholarship and a $25,000 grant for his designated charity, the Tampa Bay History Center. Please welcome our Lightning Community Hero of Tomorrow, Jordan Jasper.
Brand new. I could have closed my